In this short video, I'm going to show you how to find the meaning of a word in context. In other words, we're going to try to find the meaning of a word as it's used in the textbook reading. So if you turn to page 2 in Essential Academic Vocabulary, you'll see the reading, which is called Cooperative Learning. This sentence here is a copy of the first sentence in the reading. We're going to try to find out what the meaning of the word for approach is as it's used here in the reading. So we have the sentence, the cooperative learning approach has become popular among college professors because it helps students reach high academic standards and build positive relationships in the classroom. So this word approach has many different meanings, but you need to find the meaning as it's used here in the text. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our Canvas homepage. We'll go down to course reference websites. We'll select Longman Dictionary of Contemporary American English, and then we'll type in approach. So as you can see, once we type approach, we can see several different definitions. We have a method of doing something or dealing with a problem, a request from someone, movement towards or nears to something. That's a very common definition for approach. A road or path that leads to a place, or the final part of an airplane's flight before it lands at an airport. Okay, so we have 5 different definitions, but we want to choose the one for the word as it's used in this sentence. So we can read it again. The cooperative learning approach has become popular. It's probably not going to have anything to do with going anywhere or moving anywhere. Probably has nothing to do with airplanes. But we can probably guess from the sentence that it has something to do with maybe the way or method of doing something. So we can kind of check this by going back to our reading and saying, can we replace approach with a way to do something, or method, the word method. So we can say the cooperative learning method has become popular among college professors because it helps students reach high academic standards. So the word method does fit in this context. So we can say that for this text, the definition for approach is this first definition, method of doing something or dealing with a problem. So you should consider how the word is being used in the text or the reading before you choose the definition of the word. And this goes for every time you look up the meaning of a word.